Hi, I'm Sarah of Macra-Made with Love. In 2020, I developed a passion for macrame and I have been making eco-friendly home decor and accessories ever since. Now I'd like to share some of my knowledge with you so that you can do the same. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can see every time I upload a new video. Let's get into today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful infinite knot pattern. I'm using 3mm recycled cotton cord in a lovely natural ecru colour. I'm using these knots to make a lanyard, but you can use them however you want to in your work. They work really nicely with wall hangers and plant hangers too, but because I'm making a lanyard, I'm now going to attach my cords onto my safety brake clasp using lark's head knots.
Take your third cord in from the left as your working cord, knotting diagonally to the left. Do double half hitch knots to the left. Taking the third cord in from the right this time, and do double half hitch knots working diagonally down to the right. For this pattern, we're going to do a square knot in the middle, so put your 2 outer cords to the side and using your 4 middle cords, make a square knot. Now we need to finish this part of the pattern. So take the outer cord on the right and do double half hitch knots working in now diagonally to the left. Take the outer left cord and do double half hitch knots diagonally down to the right, making sure to join both sides at the end. Now we can continue our infinite knot pattern, keep working down diagonally to the right with double half hitch knots. Now find the third cord in from the left and do the same diagonally out down towards the left with your double half hitch knots to continue this infinite knot pattern. Again, we're going to make a square knot in the middle, so put your 2 outside cords to the side for a minute and using the 4 inside cords make a square knot. Now to finish off this next part, we're working from the left outside cord going down towards the middle diagonally to the right with double half hitch knots. Now the same from the right outside, working down towards the middle, doing diagonal half hitch knots to the left, making sure you join the pattern together at the bottom. I'm going to continue adding a few more knots now, so please feel free to follow along at your own pace. this video helpful today. If you did, please like and subscribe and follow along for more tutorials.